All right, so just stopped in here for maintenance on a Dover two-stop hydro. Now, I don't know if I've just missed this over time or someone has been here to adjust this, but you see here, there's no play in the door. And this here, like it's scraping. You need a little bit of room there just for play, and that way this beak will never get hung up on there, right? So I believe you can see it's slotted here. It's probably slotted on this bracket here too, but I'm just gonna try move it over, give us like you know, a decent 1/16, not quite an 1/8 of an inch there, and we should be much better. You can even see how the contacts are favored to this side, so when we pull that lock over, it's going to center them better there. So yeah, let me make the adjustment and then I'll show you after. Okay, so you can see here I got a little gap there, but the key is, hopefully you can hear me okay without the mask, but we're just nice and clear there now, and you can see the little marks in there. It was rubbing, right? But it gets us nice and clear there. And that just gives us a little play. You could even maybe just give it a touch more, but that's how I'm gonna leave it for now. And the cover, pretty easy to work on. They just slide on and off, right? Just a small little lock adjustment on the Dover door lock. Thanks for watching.